Hey everyone, so did you know what's the best way to install the new Bing app? So don't just install it yet just by going to the app. In case you want to access the new Bing ChatGPT experience faster, so what you need to do is just basically go to this bing.com, um, sign up for the whitelist to get access to the new Bing with ChatGPT, and then you will have a new button after you sign up for the whitelist, which is called Access the New Bing Faster. And then you can just go there, and then here you can scan the QR code to install the Microsoft Bing app, and only install it like that. And then yeah, after you install it, you will just move faster into the whitelist. In the new Bing app, make sure to actually sign in with your Microsoft account, the same you used to sign in with the whitelist. So yeah, there's tap in the top left, and then here you can just tap to sign in and get on the whitelist faster.